Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katie and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So for today's video guys, we're going to be doing some holiday cleaning and decorating. So you guys, I wanted to share with you that I removed the sectional from the family room and this area is no longer going to be a family room. So I put the dining table there so I could get a feel if I like what I was seeing, and I loved it so much that I decided to get in a new home project in the middle of the holidays. I know it sounds crazy, but stay tuned. So the new home project plan is to get rid of this small family room that I have next to the kitchen, move the dining table here and just have one big living space. And stay tuned because I have some crazy ideas in order to do this, and I think I'm gonna do it right now. Why not? That will be my Christmas gift. So anyways, here I am just tidying up. This is usually my daily routine, you guys. I vacuum every day, wipe counters and tables every single day. I don't know about you, but this is how you keep a house clean. So my bathroom was already clean, the guest bathroom downstairs, so I'm just wiping down the mirrors and then I'm gonna add some Christmas decor, starting with this little wreath that of course I put a little burgundy ribbon on it to keep with the theme around the house. Then I found this beautiful bathroom mat at Ross, I believe, yes, for only $9.99. Look how cute, you guys, with the little red bow, okay? And then I got some soap dispenser set because I think this is just so much easier. It comes with soap and lotion, and I put it there to the side. And then I got these cute hand towels from Home Goods. Look how cute, again, with the little bow. I was done cleaning the bathroom. Of course, I have to start opening my Amazon Black Friday packages. I'm excited because I got a new vacuum. This one comes with a docking station. So yes, that's a plus for me because I keep putting the docking station on the wall and it keeps falling off. So I got a new vacuum that has a standing docking station. I let you guys know how I like it when I use it. Then I headed to the backyard. Look at Kaylin. You guys see her? I headed to the backyard because I have cleaned all my furniture and I got a new rug, which is exactly the same one that I had for the summertime, or I don't remember when, but in a darker shade this time around. And you guys, let me tell you, it is so pretty. It comes in so many different colors. I will link it for you. Then I'm over here, adding a little Christmas cheer to the backyard. And honestly, this might change later on because I'm also working on a new home project in the patio. So stay tuned for it because it's gonna be a transformation and probably all of this is gonna change by the time that project is done. But I keep you posted. For now, let's add some Christmas cheer. Got these red poinsettia plants at Home Depot for $7.99 each, and they were perfect to add it to my planter. I got a few of them, and look how pretty that looks. Then I'm gonna add some pillow here. So I'm using this pillow cover that I got from Shein. I will be linking everything. This ornament pillow, it's so cute, and it was only $12.99 at Ross. Got these metal Christmas trees from Walmart and I thought they were so cute. I was gonna paint them at the beginning to do a DIY, but then I decided to keep it red because we're using a pop of red outside. So here I am hanging out string lights so we can make this area a little bit more romantic at night. You guys have to see how it looks. And I will link the lights as well. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set up this gift box ornament, not ornament, decor that I bought for outside. I got this one at Home Depot as well.
I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you.
And I went ahead and put it next to my reindeers over there, my little reindeer family. And you guys, look how it looks when it starts to get a little darker. It is so cute in the backyard. You see that little string of lights that I added? I think it's so cute.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
So I'm over here the next day cleaning Jaden's bathroom because he requested that I decorate his bathroom for the holidays, but he wanted, bathroom mats that were holiday related. He also wanted a bathroom curtain that we never get one because they're usually so short and I think it looks funny. But this year I am making all his wish list happen. So here I am cleaning the bathroom first.
I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about it.
So I ordered a tension rod on Amazon so I could hang the curtains in here, and I think I put it too high at the beginning. That's just me because when I put it, it just looks super funny. But I lower it and you're gonna see it at the end of the video. And this beautiful little Santa Claus theme came from Ross. And this rug is from last year. I'm gonna be reusing it because it looks good. And then this year I bought a new one, which is the Santa Claus one that you see right there. And this one is also from Ross. It's so pretty and festive.
It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah.
Guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you get inspired to start decorating your home for the holiday season. And I will see you all on the next one. God bless.